Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you this odd piece. I am not sure what it's for. I'm not sure if it's for cosmetics, not sure what it is, but you tell me if you know what it is. Now look at this, look at it all around. Now the price, I had to wash it. I bought this at the Goodwill store and I had to wash it, and I have to peel off that sticker. I just hate when they put stickers like that on things, and it just ruins everything. If you have like a frame, a glass frame, those stickers, are hard to take off, to remove. So this has like another side there, so you can actually rotate this like that. But when I saw it, as I'm looking at it like that, I thought of something else. I am going to make a creation using this piece. And I'm going to tell you right now what I'm going to do. Look at this. You can either use it this way or you can use it this way. So what I plan to do with this is a new miniature bar. That is what I'm going to make, a new miniature bar with it. So I can already see the tiny bottles of wine, the little champagne glasses or beer or whatever. And then making some stools so that people can sit around. And of course, it'll be a miniature bar, so it'll have a nice background with other things around it. But this specifically is going to be like a bar table for everyone to sit around here. All the drinks are going to be on top. And I'll be placing somebody here in the middle, attending to the customers. So that is what I plan to do with this. Oh, how much did I pay for it? $5. I paid for it $5. I paid for it at the Goodwill store, which I wasn't planning to go in, but I just happened to be at the pizzeria next door, and I couldn't help not going in to the Goodwill store, checking it out. So I ended up coming out with a few things. So this is one of them. So I hope that you stay tuned for the project. It'll be a miniature bar using this piece. You know what I can also make or use it for? Just had an idea, just came to me. Now, if you've been following me, you know that I have been creating with Barbies. So, picture a Barbie sitting somewhere around here, right? She has furniture. This could be the coffee table in the middle. Yep, that is another idea. So, and I can also flip this, like I said, so I can place it that way too. So you will see this again in some more creations. I hope that you stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.